Hello! Welcome to the very first episode of EasyTalk English. My name is John, and I will be your English teacher and guide on this exciting journey.
And I'm Sarah. I am learning English too, step by step, just like you. I'm here to practice with you, to make mistakes, and to grow together.
This is our podcast-style show, where we learn English in a simple, practical, and fun way. Every episode, we will focus on useful, real-life English, the kind of language you can use every day, whether you're traveling, meeting new people, or building confidence.
Today is a very special day. Today, we will learn our very first conversation in English. It's the foundation, the first brick in building your English house.
That's exactly right. By the end of this episode, you will know how to say hello, introduce yourself, and say goodbye in English. These are the keys to opening your first door in English. Are you ready, Sarah?
Yes, I am ready.
Let's start with the most important word in any language, the word that begins every connection. Sarah, how do we start?
Hello.
Excellent! Hello is how we begin a conversation, how we show someone we see them, and how we invite them to talk. It's polite, clear, and works in almost every situation. Now, there is another word, a more casual, friendly version. Can you guess what it is?
Hi.
Perfect. Hi is shorter, warmer, and very common between friends, colleagues, or in informal settings. Think of hello as a handshake and hi as a smile. Let's practice together now. Repeat after us, viewers. Don't be shy. Speak out loud if you can. Hello. Listen to the sounds. Hey, low. Two parts. Hey, like the word he, and low, where your tongue touches the roof of your mouth.
Hello.
Hi. Much shorter, just one sound. Hi. It's quick and easy.
Hi.
Wonderful. Now, when we say hello, we often follow it with a question that shows care. How are you? This means, are you happy? Are you okay? How is your day? It's a way to connect, not just to greet. Listen carefully. How are you? 3 simple words.
How are you?
So if I ask you, how are you? What do you say, Sarah?
I say, I'm fine, thank you.
Let's break that down piece by piece. I'm is a contraction, a short, fast way to say I am. In spoken English, we love contractions because they sound natural. Fine means good, okay, doing well. And thank you is one of the most important polite phrases in English. It shows gratitude and respect.
I'm fine, thank you.
We can also say, I'm good, thank you. Or even more casually, good, thanks. Notice how thanks is a shorter, informal version of thank you.
Good, thanks. That feels easier and very friendly.
Yes. Now, let's put it all together into a mini conversation. Sarah, please ask me how I am.
Hello, John. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Perfect. Did you hear that extra little part? And you? This is a very common, natural way to return the question. Instead of repeating, how are you, we often just say, and you? It keeps the conversation flowing smoothly. Let's practice that exchange one more time, a bit slower for everyone to follow. Now, viewers, try it. Say out loud, how are you? Now respond, I'm good, thanks. And you? After we say hello and ask how someone is, we often tell them our name. The question to ask is, what's your name?
What's your name?
Exactly. What's is short for what is. Your name means the name you have. Now, how do we answer? Sarah, what's your name?
My name is Sara.
That is the full, clear answer. But in everyday speaking, we often use an even shorter version. I'm Sarah. You can use I'm plus your name. It's simple and confident.
I'm Sara.
Let's practice with our viewers now. I'll ask the question. I want you to answer with your real name. Ready? What's your name? Beautiful. Now, when someone tells you their name, the polite and friendly response is, "Nice to meet you."
Nice to meet you.
This phrase is important. It acknowledges the introduction and builds a positive connection. You can think of it as the verbal equivalent of a smile. Now, let's do a full introduction from the very beginning. Sarah, let's pretend we are meeting for the very first time. Okay? Action.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. What's your name?
My name is Sara. What's your name?
I'm John. Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, John.
Did you see that? That was a complete, simple, and natural English conversation, from hello to introduction. Now let's practice it slowly, step by step. Repeat every line after us. This is your chance to build muscle memory for speaking. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine. What's your name?
My name is Sara.
Nice to meet you. Excellent. Now try to say the entire conversation by yourself. Play both parts. You are John and Sarah. This is how you build fluency. Every conversation has a beginning, a middle, and an end, so we need to know how to finish politely. The most common formal word is
Goodbye.
yes, but just like hello has the casual hi, goodbye has a shorter, everyday version.
Bye.
Very casual and very common. We often say bye-bye, especially to friends or children. Another great phrase is see you later, which means we will meet again. It's hopeful and friendly.
See you later.
Let's end our practice conversation now. Sarah, it's time to say goodbye.
Okay, John. Goodbye.
Bye, Sarah. See you next time. Let's review what you have accomplished today. You can now say hello and hi. Ask, how are you? Answer, I'm fine, thank you. Or, good, thanks. Ask, what's your name? Answer, my name is, or I'm. Say, nice to meet you. Say, goodbye and bye.
That's 7 powerful tools for communication, all in one episode.
Your homework this week is simple but powerful. Practice this conversation. You can practice with yourself in the mirror. You can practice with a friend or family member. If you're shy, practice with your pet or even a plant. The goal is to speak the words out loud. Thank you for learning with us today. Remember, this is just the beginning of a wonderful journey. Be proud of this first step.
In our next episode, we will learn about numbers and age. We'll learn how to ask and answer, how old are you?
So if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Each lesson builds on the last.
We would love to connect with you. Leave a comment below. Practice our conversation right there in the comments. Write, hello, my name is, your name, nice to meet you.
We will read your comments and reply to as many as we can. We are here to learn together.
Bye.
See you next time.